birthday Dayan. Wish ko sa'yo good health and matapos mo yung pangarap mo. Love ka ni Tita Nina. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Dayan. I wish you a good health and more happiness. And God bless us always. Happy birthday.
Hi Dayan! Una sa lahat, gusto kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo sa araw na ito. At I hope na masaya or very special tong araw mo dahil ito yung panibagong taon na ibinigay sa iyo ni Jesus. And I pray na lumaki kang isang mabuting bata, isang mabait at masunuring anak, at mapagmahal sa mga magulang, at higit sa lahat, lumaki ka na may takot sa Panginoon. At syempre, natutuwa sa iyo si teacher dahil ever since nasa preschool ka, masipag ka na talaga mag-aral. And until now, nasa elementary ka, masipag ka pa rin talaga mag-aral dahil syempre nakikita lagi yan ni teacher sa mga post mo sa Facebook. Talagang tungkol sa pag-aaral yung mga pinopost mo. And napaka-active mo pa sa school dahil marami kang sinasalihan. So, syempre masaya si teacher at very proud sa iyo si teacher. Ayan, marami na sinasabi si teacher kaya muli, babatiin kita ng happy birthday. And, syempre, natutuwa si teacher dahil naaalala mo pa rin ako kahit matagal na tayong di nagkikita. Sa Facebook na lang tayo nagkikita. At masaya si teacher dahil sabi ni mami mo, isa ako sa mga favorite mo. Siyempre, masaya si teacher doon. And happy birthday ulit, Dayan. And God bless to you. Bye-bye!
Happy 10th birthday, Dayan. Sana magkita tayo ulit. Enjoy your day. Miss na kita. Magkita tayo ulit. Bye-bye!
Hey Dayan, happy birthday sa'yo. Alam ko maraming nagpapahal sa'yo. Laging nasa balik ka sa'yo nakasuporta. So enjoy lang sa araw ng birthday mo. Ang wish lang namin sa'yo ay laging healthy and mag-aaral ng mabuti dahil napakatalented mo, gamitin mo at para sa future hindi natin malimutan na naging daycare student kita. Ikaw yung una-una na naging estudyante ko. So again, happy birthday sa'yo, Dayan. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Irish. I wish you happy birthday.
Dayan, happy birthday. I wish you masayang birthday mo and you and your family. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Dayan! Wishing you all the best on your special day. God bless and see you soon. Bye-bye!
Birthday ko pala ngayon. Wala akong alam ba. Pero happy birthday. Stay happy and healthy and healthy. Sana din matupad ang iyong pangarap. And again, happy birthday. Love you.
When you came into our lives, everything feels so unreal. You filled our lives with joy and laughter. The moment you came into this world brought light into our lives, and you became our weakness and strength. We didn't even notice that our little girl has grown so much. I remember the day that we first held you in our arms, the day you learned to walk and speak, the day you wore your first school uniform. But it all feels like yesterday. Seeing you grow day by day makes us feel sad and happy at the same time, as we know that you are slowly entering your adolescent life, and eventually, you will explore and seek who you really are. Ate is working really hard to give the life that you deserve. I